ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ, ನ್ಯೂಸ್ 26ಗೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತ. ಪ್ರಾಥಮಿಕ ವೊಕೇಶನಲ್ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ವತಿಯಿಂದ ನ್ಯೂರೋ ಡೈವರ್ಜೆಂಟ್ ವೃತ್ತಿಪರರಿಗೆ ವಿಶೇಷ ಘಟಿಕೋತ್ಸವ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವನ್ನು ಹಮ್ಮಿಕೊಳ್ಳಲಾಗಿತ್ತು. ವಿಶೇಷ ಅಗತ್ಯವುಳ್ಳ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ವಿಶಿಷ್ಟ ಸವಾಲುಗಳನ್ನು ಪರಿಹರಿಸುವ ಸಾಮಾಜಿಕ ಉದ್ಯಮವಾದ ಪ್ರಾಥಮಿಕ ವೊಕೇಶನಲ್ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ನರ ವೃತ್ತಿಪರ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಸೀಮಿತವಾದಂತೆ ವಿಶೇಷ ಘಟಿಕೋತ್ಸವ ಸಮಾರಂಭವನ್ನು ನಡೆಸಿತು. ಇಂದು ಇಲ್ಲಿನ ಯಲಹಂಕ ಶೇಷಾದ್ರಿಪುರಂನ ಪ್ರಥಮ ದರ್ಜೆ ಕಾಲೇಜಿನಲ್ಲಿ ನಡೆದ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದಲ್ಲಿ ವಿಶೇಷ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳನ್ನ ಘಟಿಕೋತ್ಸವದ ಗೌನ್ ಧರಿಸಿ ವೇದಿಕೆ ಏರುವಂತೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು, ಗಣ್ಯರಿಂದ ಪ್ರಮಾಣ ಪತ್ರವನ್ನ ಪ್ರದಾನ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು ನ್ಯೂರೋ ಡಿವೆಂಜರೆಂಟ್ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಿಗೆ ನಿಜಕ್ಕೂ ಉತ್ತಮ ಕ್ಷಣವಾಗಿತ್ತು. ಈ ಘಟಿಕೋತ್ಸವ ಸಮಾರಂಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಸುಮಾರು 100 ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಮುಖ್ಯ ಅತಿಥಿ ಇಸ್ರೋದ ಸಲಹೆಗಾರ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಸುರೇಂದ್ರ ಪಾಲ್, ಹೆಸರಾಂತ ವೆಂಟ್ರಿಲೋಕ್ವಿಸ್ಟ್ ಶ್ರೀಮತಿ ಇಂದುಶ್ರೀ ರವೀಂದ್ರ ಮತ್ತು ಗೌರವ ಪ್ರಧಾನ ಕಾರ್ಯದರ್ಶಿ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಉಡೆ ಪಿ ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಅವರ ಉಪಸ್ಥಿತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕೋರ್ಸ್ ಪೂರ್ಣಗೊಳಿಸಿದ ಪ್ರಮಾಣ ಪತ್ರಗಳನ್ನು ನೀಡಿದರು. ಶೇಷಾದ್ರಿಪುರಂ ಎಜುಕೇಷನಲ್ ಟ್ರಸ್ಟ್ ಈವೆಂಟ್ನ ಗಮನಾರ್ಹ ವಿಶಿಷ್ಟವೆಂದರೆ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದ ಸೃಜನಶೀಲರು ನಿರೂಪಣೆ, ಭಾಷಣ ಮತ್ತು ಗಾಯನವು ವೈವಿಧ್ಯಮಯ ಕೊಡುಗೆಯನ್ನು ನೀಡಿತು. ಶ್ರವಣ ದೋಷವುಳ್ಳವರ ನೃತ್ಯ ಮತ್ತು ವಿಶೇಷ ಅಗತ್ಯವುಳ್ಳವರು ಅತಿಥಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಉಡುಗೊರೆಯನ್ನು ನೀಡಿದರು.
Today, that dream becomes a reality and it is indeed a cause for immense celebration. We have very eminent chief guests and guests of honor who have contributed to the society and the nation. Our chief guest, Dr. Surendra Pal sir's contribution to the world of science and to our country are phenomenal. I extend our warmest welcome to you, sir. Everyone. It's a blessing to PVI family that we received a blessing letter encouraging our work from our Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji. I extend, on behalf of PVI family, I extend my heartfelt thanks.
Thank you, Mr. Fawaz and AVT. Namaste and good evening to everyone. I am Shreya here from the PVI family. It is with great enthusiasm that we extend an invitation to the stage for a mesmerizing performance.
Today marks a special moment in the history of Prakramika Vocational Institute. We are thrilled to unveil and release the institute's new logo, a symbol that encapsulates our values, vision and commitment to empowerment. The design reflects our dedication to inclusivity.
Can you put the logo please? What it symbolifies is the torch is the knowledge, and the person doing yoga, it makes you fit and be fit for be included in the society. Then the wings gives you to fly. So that symbolifies the new logo.
The founders of Prakramika Vocational Institution, Dr. Gayatri Narasimhan, co-founder Ms. Akshaya Lalit Sondar, Ms. Akhila Narasimhan, Sri Lakshmi Narasimhan, members of the PVI board, PVI faculty, my dear students and the enthusiasts, far-sighted, benevolent, vigilant parents, good evening, namaskar to each one of you, and I am thankful to parents for taking the initiative and being present here. It's always quite encouraging for the students when they are getting, graduated, they get the convocation if the parents are there.
Guest Surendra Pal sir.
Guest of honor sir, Ulpi Krishna sir. Namaste.
All right. And we are honored to be here and feel so happy.
Yeah, meeting Gayatri ma'am. Where is Gayatri ma'am?
Gayatri ma'am is there.
Yeah, Gayatri Devi.
Gayatri Devi.
You know, Gayatri Devi has 5 different faces. She is there to empower us. Just like that, this lady is like Gayatri Devi, empowering lot of humans. so much for being born in our society.
Yeah. So it's truly inspiring to see people doing such services to the mankind.
Yes, madam.
Yeah.
All right. Now, congratulations to all those of you who graduated.
Yes, congratulations.
Yeah, congratulations. As the famous saying goes, learning starts in the womb and goes on till you get into the tomb.
Yes, that's true.
Congratulations, everybody. And there are 3 kinds of different things.
What is that?
I'm Dr. Gayatri Narasimhan, Founder Director of Prakramika Vocational Institute, and this is our first convocation ceremony. It has been a dream come true event for us. We train 100 neurodivergent every year in various skill development, and we empower them so that they get a job and they settle in their life. So this is our mission, this is our vision. Our main aim is to reach as many as neurodivergent possible across the globe, across pan-India and across the globe. The best important aspect of this convocation ceremony is this skill development courses. We give these training programs completely free. We don't want that financial constraint on the parents. Parents, if you see, they already have a lot of medical related issues, or their therapists, they have a lot of other financial commitments. So the education is what I feel it should be free for them from the community side, from the government side. So this is our small initiative. I'm able to, a family venture, I can say, me and my 2 daughters, Mrs. Akshaya Lalit Saundar and Ms. Akhila Narasimhan. So I train the children, professionals in hospitality and early childhood education. My elder daughter, Mrs. Akshaya Lalit Saundar, she trains them in data analysis and art programming, and my younger daughter, Ms. Akhila Narasimhan, trains them in designing and animation. So this is our venture, and we wish to empower as many as neurodivergent possible, and include them in the society. So this is our only aim, and we are offering this totally free, and we want to reach more people. So I thank everyone who have been helping us. First of all, I wish to thank Seshadripuram First Grade College for giving us the venue and for giving us a lot of logistics help, support. I thank them wholeheartedly, and we are blessed to have with us Dr. Surendra Pal sir, ISRO board director, as such eminent chief guest, and Madam Indushree Ravindra, the first female ventriloquist, and Dr. Udepi Krishna sir, Honorable General Secretary of Seshadripuram First Grade College, as our guests of honor. And I'm so happy today my professionals, they are able to, they are taking the awards, the honors from such eminent people. I'm very happy, I'm very thrilled. This has been the hard work from us for the past 2 years, and I thank the parents also for their support for making this success. On this occasion, a very important aspect I wish to share with you is we got the blessings and wishes from our Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji. This is the best thing that can ever happen for the neurodivergent. Sir, our Honorable Modi ji sir has sent his blessings and the letter of wishes which we read out in our convocation ceremony today. Thank you.
ಇನ್ನಷ್ಟು ಸುದ್ದಿಗಾಗಿ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇರಿ ನ್ಯೂಸ್ 26 ಕನ್ನಡ. ನಾವು ನಿಮ್ಮೊಂದಿಗೆ.